Can popping your neck and your lower back cause bigger problems than you already have? Yes, it can. People say, well, doc, you adjust my neck and back, it pops and makes noises. And I say, yeah, because it's very specific. I'm a chiropractor. I cannot adjust myself. I get adjusted by a chiropractor myself. You technically can't adjust yourself either. What that's called is a manipulation. And when you over-manipulate your spine on a daily basis, there's going to be problems on the back side of that. This is called spinal instability of a joint, and it actually creates arthritis and accelerates degeneration of that joint. When a chiropractor adjusts you, it actually frees up that joint. It's only ever so often, and it actually helps to restore the overall movement and alignment of that joint, relieving the pressure from the nerves and ligament tissue. Stop popping and cracking your own back and see a chiropractic physician to make sure that we have proper movement and alignment and overall function of that joint to prevent future problems. I'm Dr. Casey Bearden with Action Spine and Joint. Call us today. We can help.